you're trying to decide between Arch Linux and Kali Linux, here's a quick, honest feature match from a real-world perspective. Arch Linux is all about customization and control, giving you a minimal base system you build exactly how you want. Kali Linux, on the other hand, is designed for cybersecurity professionals, packed with tools for penetration testing and ethical hacking. If you're a beginner, Arch has a steeper learning curve, while Kali can feel overwhelming if you're not in security work. Performance-wise, Arch is lightweight and highly efficient, whereas Kali can be heavier due to its pre-installed tools. In the end, Arch is best for builders and tinkerers, while Kali is better for security-focused users. So, which one wins? It really depends on what you want to do with your system. If you're looking to learn Linux deeply and customize everything, Arch is incredibly rewarding but takes patience and time. Kali is more of a specialized toolkit, great for security testing, but not ideal as a daily driver for most people in my honest opinion.